This is the Chevy Aveo, Daewoo Kalos in Europe. And if you need to get to the fuel pump in these vehicles, it's of course it's located in the fuel tank. There is no fuel pump under the hood because these vehicles have pretty simple engines with just port injection. So they only have the low pressure fuel pump here in the tank. And there is actually a little trick on how you can get to that pump. You need to lower the seats, fold the back seat, and then this is the trick, and not many people know about that. The seat may be folded like that, and here you have the access to the fuel pump. Here, this is the top of the fuel pump, and after taking this cover up, you have actually access to the fuel pump connectors and everything. So here's how it works in the Aveo, the first generation after facelift, and actually before facelift too. It's a pretty simple and clever design. So you don't need to take off the fuel tank in order to get to the fuel pump, which is pretty cool.